Would you like to know why our connecting components are so robust and nearly indestructible? Clearly, it is because they are all metal and are 100% made in Germany. My name is Louis Klöpfer and I work at Eisele. Customers always ask us what factors are important for the assembly of plug-type connections. Allow me to briefly cover the most important elements. We'll start with the O-ring. It can only provide an optimal seal if the mating surface is clean, smooth, and free from burrs. It should be inspected before screwing the parts together. With cast parts in particular, the rough surface may have to be refinished. The specified torque is also important when screwing in. With plug-type connectors, a hose is clamped outside. Therefore, Eisele hoses are calibrated from the outside. Only in this manner can the necessary tight seal be guaranteed. Prior to assembly, cut the hose at a right angle with the original Eisele hose cutter. A hose end which is free from scoring and damage guarantees secure assembly. Slide the hose end prepared in this manner straight into the connecting component until it reaches the first stop, and then continue until it reaches the perceptible limit stop of the plug-type connector. Now, everything is sealed reliably. Like a garden hose, you must ensure that the hose bending radius is not too short or even kinked during the assembly. Dust, dirt, and other environmental influences can also lead to leaks. Therefore, always follow my advice and keep your hoses well protected until you are ready to use them. If you observe these points, you will be assured a tight seal.